Certainly. Here are 6 beauty face tips and tricks for enhancing your natural beauty. 1. Healthy skincare routine. Start with a consistent skincare routine that suits your skin type. Cleanse, moisturize, and use sunscreen daily. Consider using serums and eye creams for added benefits. 2. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for healthy skin. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin looking fresh and vibrant. 3. Balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants, can contribute to radiant skin. 4. Minimal makeup. Embrace a natural look. Use makeup to enhance your features, not mask them. A light foundation or tinted moisturizer, mascara, and lip balm can often be enough for a fresh appearance. 5. Skincare before makeup. Prior to applying makeup, prep your skin with a primer to create a smooth canvas. This helps makeup last longer and look better. 6. Highlight your best features. Use makeup to highlight your best features. For example, you can use highlighter on your cheekbones to create a healthy glow or define your eyebrows for a polished look. Remember that beauty is subjective, and it's important to feel confident and comfortable with your own style and appearance. These tips can help you enhance your natural beauty, but always embrace what makes you unique and special.